Here we all are. It's Saturday. Guten whatever. Greetings of all shapes and sizes. And hi Leo and Peggy and Shelly. Hi Leanne and Kenny and Misty and Linda and hi Richard. Hello. All right. It looks like we've got the majority of the people in and ready to roll. We're looking for any of those two notes in combination when we're looking to make double stops. Let's play a C arpeggio. So here's C on the G string, third finger, first finger on the D string, and third finger on the D string. Let's try just those three. So 3 and 1, 1 and open, double 3. Now, we're just gonna practice it and see what it feels like, see how awkward it is. That's why you have this class, for me to make you do this stuff. All right, here we go. As I'm coming down, I'm coming vertical and a little bit horizontal. So the frog a little bit at an angle. That kind of increases the percussiveness of it. Chop, chop, long row. Chop, chop, long row. Under the weeping willow tree. We're not changing chords, don't worry about that. I'm willing to bet that if I could hear all of you, there would be some craziness going on out there. There would be some, am I right? It's a little wacky out there. That's all right. That's what we're here for. Denise, Leanne, Mark, Kenny, and Rachel, it's all gonna be okay. It's all gonna be just fine. All right, here we go. Let's try it again. If you've learned this song and you know the chord progression and you pull this lick, this is such a kind and generous thing to do for your fellow jam people because you're telling them what's about to happen. You are being a jam giver. That's what we're learning today for Old Home Place. So we're gonna do a big son of a gun lick and it's gonna be in a B flat chord. So B flat, low A1, low D2. I will not get out, Morgan. This is my house. I will stay right here. I can't get out, Morgan. It's a quarantine. It's why we're having this workshop, for the love of everything holy. But we're gonna slide into it because we're cooler than the other kids. So what I did there, I went 1, 2, 3, 2. Again, go. 1, 2, one more time. If the index finger knuckle is below the stick, it really helps perpetuate that good wrist motion. Do you see how that works? If it's up here, things start to get locked up. This is still my new bow. My old bow, however, is out there. It's actually out there right there. Wave if you own my old bow. Hi, Leo. So one of the things we've been practicing are short bows. So I want you, A string, D string, whatever string floats your boat. I want to do bows about here to here. And so that's going to require wrist. I use that part of the bow a lot in Bluegrass. I'm down there. Have a wonderful, wonderful look. See? Animatronic tongue, even. And I'll see you next Saturday. Yay!